Okay, so let's start today's lecture. I am Dr. Suresh Thakur, your chemistry teacher. Today we have case study questions, or we can say comprehension questions from solid state and solution. So first question is, by X-ray studies, the packing of atoms in a crystal of gold is found to be in layers, such that starting from any layer, every fourth layer is found to be exactly identical. So as fourth layer is exactly identical, that means it is like A, B, C, A, B, C. ABC type packing is there, right? So now ABC type packing, what it means? Because every fourth layer, first, second, third, and fourth layer is same as that of the first layer. Okay, so that means it is ABC type packing. So ABC type packing means CCP cubic close packing. It is CCP arrangement, right? Now the density of the gold is found to be 19.4 gram per centimeter. Density is 19.4 gram per centimeter cube, and its atomic mass is also given, that is equal to 197 EMU. So first question is, the coordination number of gold atom in the crystal is. So tell me, what is the coordination number? Yes, beta. This is question for you. What is the coordination number? Yes, beta, you are right. It is 12. Coordination number is 12. Why is it so? Reason being, when arrangement takes place, there are 6 nearest neighbors in the same layer. Three above the layer, means which are in touch with that given sphere, and 3 below the sphere. Okay, in the same layer, 6 are in touch with the given sphere, 3 above the layer and 3 below the layer, and that's why total there are 12 nearest neighbors of the given sphere in CCP arrangement. That's why coordination number is 12. Next is fraction of occupied by the gold atoms in the crystal. The fraction occupied by the gold atoms in the crystal. 0.52, 0.68, 0.74 and 1.0. Yes, beta. What is the right answer? You know, arrangement we have found out, it is CCP. Arrangement is CCP. So what is the packing fraction? Yes, beta. What is the packing fraction for CCP? I'm in class 10. I'm in Fit G. BMC for 2024. JEE paper. Should I prepare for JEE or boards first? Please tell sir, how many hours should I devote to JEE practice? Beta, at least 4 hours for JEE and at least 2 hours for your board exams. Okay. Okay, beta, tell me the packing fraction for CCP, because we have already found out that it is CCP arrangement, right? See, by X-ray studies, it is found that packing of atoms in a crystal of gold is found to be in layers, such that starting from any layer, every fourth layer is found to be exactly same. That means it is CCP arrangement. So what is its packing efficiency? Do it fast. What is packing fraction or packing efficiency? Fraction occupied by the atoms means packing fraction. So what is packing fraction for CCP? Yes, but do it fast. I'm waiting for your response. So packing fraction for CCP, it is 0.74. For BCC, it is 0.68. And for simple cubic, it is 0.52. That means, because it is CCP, so answer C is correct. Right? Next question. Approximate number of unit cells present in 1 gram gold. See, molecular mass, or sorry, atomic mass of gold is given to you. Beta, I am sharing my mobile number. Just talk to me in that time, because now I am in class, so I'm not able to guide you properly. Okay. So this is my mobile number. Just note down and just call me after 10 o'clock. Okay. Yes. So fraction occupied by the gold atoms in the crystal is 0.74. Now, approximate number of unit cells present in 1 gram of gold is. So, you know, first we calculate number of gold atoms. Number of gold atoms in 1 gram. In 1 gram of gold, number of gold atoms in 1 gram of gold. So that is equal to 1 upon 197. Am I right? Because it is 197. So 1 upon 197. These are the number of gold atoms multiplied by Avogadro's number. Right? These are the number of gold atoms. Now, number of unit cells. Approximate number of unit cells. So that is equal to, you know, how many unit cells are present in, how many atoms are present in 1 unit cell? CCP means FCC. So tell me number of atoms per unit cell in FCC. Yes, beta. Yes, tell me number of atom per unit cell in FCC. First, number of atoms per unit cell in FCC. Number of atoms per unit cell in FCC. That is equal to 4. In FCC, there are atoms on the corners as well as on the face centers. So total number of atoms per unit cell are 4. So number of unit cells are 1/4 of number of gold atoms. One-fourth of the number of gold atoms. Right? So just what is the value then? First, approximate number of unit cells equal to, yes beta. Okay, that's great. Number of atoms per unit cell in FCC are 4. Okay, so that means total number of gold atoms we have calculated in 1 gram. So unit cells are 1/4 of total number of gold atoms. So 1/4 of this number. So approximate just 197. To make the calculation simpler, we just take 197 as 200. So it becomes 1 upon 800 into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. That means it becomes 6.02 over 8 into 10 raised to power 21, right? Or you can write it as 60.2 over 8 into 10 raised to power 20. So 8 7 ja 56, 42. So 8 5 ja 40, है ना? So 7.5 into 10 raised to 20. So it is slightly greater than this because we take 197 as 200. That means it is more than 7.5 into 10 raised to 20. So only one option is there which is close to it, that is D. So option D is correct. Got it? Now next question. Length of the edge of the unit cell will be. So tell me, what is the relation between edge length? Yes, density is also given to you. Length of the edge of the unit cell. Yes, beta. I'm adding the page. Length of the edge of the unit cell. So you know, density equal to Z into M over A cube into NA, right? That implies A cube is equal to Z into M over D into NA. Now Z. So Z is number of atoms per unit cell. So you know, number of atoms per unit cell are 4 and molar mass is 197. What is D? Density is given to you. Sorry. Density is 19.4. 19.4. Okay. 19.4 into Avogadro's number. But if edge length is in picometer, see, if A is in picometer and D is in gram per centimeter cube, means we have to calculate edge length in picometer and density is given in gram per centimeter cube. So it can be written like this: Z into M over A cube into NA into 10 raised to power 30. Okay. So that means A cube becomes, yes, A, if we go like this, then A comes out to be in a centimeter. But to calculate A in picometer, so that means we divide, this is in A cube in centimeter cube. Okay. So from here, A cube becomes, yes, A cube becomes 4 into 197 divided by D into Avogadro's number into 10 raised to power 30. So now let's approximate the results. You know, 197, just take it as 200. So 4 into 200 into 10 raised to power 30 divided by 19.4. Let us take it as 20 into 6 into 10 raised to power 23. So 20 it becomes 10. So A cube is 40 over 6 into 10 raised to power 7. 40 over 6 into 10 raised to power 7. So it comes out to be 6.6 into 10 raised to power 7 around. Okay. So A comes out to be, okay, so better to write it as 660 into 10 raised to power 9. So it becomes 660 cube root into 10 raised to power 3. So just what is the value? 407, 189, 814 or 204? Yes, beta. Which is the closest value? Options are 407, 189, 204 and 814. Oh, sorry, 6. It becomes, as it is 660. So that means it is 10 raised to power take it as 6, right? So it becomes 60, yeah, 66. Yes, beta. 66. So that means it is around about 4 into 10 raised to power 2. That means 400 picometer. So that means value is close to 407. So that means option A is correct. How do I proceed? Did you get an idea? Yes, beta. Dharya, we have just completed it. Yes, 10 raised to power 6 होगा. Sorry, मैंने chat तो बाद में देखी. Yes, beta. It is really fine to go for a round because it is very difficult to calculate if you go like in a board exam. Okay, so better to approximate. If values are given to you, it is an MCQ type question, so it is better to approximate, but that should be an intelligent guess. That should be, approximation should be in your domain. You should know how much I have increased or decreased, right? Got it? Okay, so next part is assuming gold atom to be spherical, so its radius will be, see, edge length we have calculated, it is 407 picometer. Edge length is 407 picometer. And if these atoms are assumed to be sphere, then you know in FCC spheres are touching along the face diagonal. In FCC, spheres are touching along the face diagonal. So as spheres are touching along the face diagonal, so AC, that is equal to 4r if r is the radius of the atom, and it is also equal to under root 3, sorry, under root 2a. R is the radius of atom and a is edge length. A is edge length and r is radius of the atom. So that is 4r equal to under root 2a. So r is equal to under root 2 by 4a. So that implies it is under root 2 by 4 into 407 picometer. Again, you know, it is under root 2 into 102 around. So out of these, best answer is yes, beta, because it is 1.414 into 102 picometer. So that means 141.4, more than 141.4. So more than 141.4 is only one option, that is 143.9. So it is actually 143.9 picometer. That is radius of the atom, gold atom. Yes, beta. Any doubt up to this? Good evening, Simadev. Okay, Manjot, got it. That's great. So this was the question comprehension type. By X-ray studies, the packing of atoms in a crystal of gold is found to be in layers. So we have done this question according to the comprehension. Okay, that statement is given to us, and that statement guide us how to proceed, which type of packing is there. Okay, that is clear from the indirect speech or indirect statement given to us. Okay, so this is one of the question. That's all for the day. Manjot, I will definitely upload other comprehension maybe in the morning. Just watch those videos. Okay, because I have next class at 9 o'clock. Okay, so bye bye beta, and